Hello everyone, I'm just going to showcase the secret of our yummy salad. Our salad for tonight, for our dinner. The ingredients are cucumber, onions, cherry tomatoes. Instead of watermelon, guys, I'm going to put ripe mangoes, avocados to make our salad creamy, and of course lettuce, the mix, green leafy. And this is the one that really makes our salad creamier and yummy and delicious. It's called chunky cottage cheese chives. Yeah, we always put this one to make our salad yummy and creamy. Aside from avocados make your salad creamy. We never put any salad dressing like mayonnaise or something, the other one. We just always put this cottage cheese. This is our ingredient. This is our secret ingredient to make our salad yummy, creamy, and delicious. Yummy na, delicious pa. Yeah. Salad again for tonight. Yeah. Salad is light. Let's mix it. Sometimes we put lemon juice, but later, before we eat, because the lemon juice make it watery. If we just like, we don't put it in the mix or in the salad. We put it separately when we put our salad in our plate. See, you can see it was creamy already because of the cottage cheese. This one. No need salad dressing. Yummy, delicious, lekker. Yeah, we love salad. Of course, best partner to BBQ. Barbecue. Ay. See, now you know, everyone. What is our secret for our creamy and yummy salad? Then we are going to put it on our refrigerator so that it will be chilled.